You're on.
Okay. This is the real deer. When they kill
Whitetail.
whitetail, and when they kill her, I don't know.
Doesn't know.
And they shot whitehead.
It's a boy deer.
Yeah. Show the shot where they shot her.
Him.
Oh, it's him.
It's him. Boys have antlers, girls don't.
Okay. They shot at him here. Okay.
Come here, look. This is why they're called white-tailed deer. When they run away, they lift up their tail like that.
Oh, that's why they have the white tail. Okay. And now this way. And this is a real bear. It's a big one. Don't touch this head. But you can touch anyways.
It's soft.
So, and this one is a fox.
Coyote.
It's coyote. It's a kind of cute.
They're like dogs, kind of.
Yep. And
What about the chipmunk?
oh, there's a chipmunk. You can see it. It's really cute chipmunk. A small one, and it's a big eagle over here. This one. It's kind of my favorite birds. And it's really beautiful. And this one is turtle.
The soft shell turtle.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful turtle.
He's cute. Look at his nose.
Yep.
You try to get his nose in there.
Okay, and this is a beaver. And he's eating steak. Okay.
Teeth.
And what's that? Somebody's got to tell?
Scary turkey. And this is a turkey. I've been chased by them. They're quite scary.
Okay, and over here.
This skunk. He stinks.
Now with these all birds over here.
Little teeny tiny flying squirrel.
Yeah, and these are all birds.
Can't really see that little one.
And over here.
I'm coming. Cute duck. Yeah, the little tree.
Look. This one has the beak. The fish in the beak, so it didn't let him eat, so. Well, and this, what is this?
It's a duck. A wood
It's
duck.
also a duck?
A wood duck.
Oh, this is beautiful. Well, this was a duck, small tour, and that's it.